Your friend from the Philippines. So today, let me share with you our haul from book sale in SM Baguio. Yan. During the weekend, nanggaling po tayo sa Baguio City, the city of pine. So, with the amazing mountains and cool weather. Although medyo mainit. Pero, when you're at SM, there's fog. So, malamig yung simoy ng hangin. So, we went to book sale. Ayan. Ito po ang haul natin from book sale. First thing, Monday morning. So, para siyang devotional din eh. Ayan, may mga day, week 26. So, ilang weeks ba yan? So, may 20. Tignan natin kung hindi siya nakasulat. Hindi siya nakaano kung ilang weeks. But, yun, tignan natin yung week 51. So, 1 year siya. Week 52 eh. So, every week, there's a lesson. Week 1 talks of humor in the boardroom. Ayan. Week 2. So, every week, there's a challenge. Failure and not yet 40. So, ayan, every week. Hanggang 52 siya. So, 1 year siya. 52 weeks. And then, finding your way. So, it talks about unleash your power and highest potential. And, this is breath. The beauty within. So, it's, ayan. Discover your God-given word, a reflective journal. So, yan. So, ilang weeks din siya. And then, it talks about journaling. The journey begins, develop the beauty within. So, yan. Marami siyang topics. And you have exercises and lessons. So, each merong activity that you have to write your reflection. You can draw, you can meditate. So, yan. This is medyo expensive. It's 230, pero mura pa rin yan. This one is 95. This one is 45. Ayan. Yan. Enjoy sa ating mga book haul from book sale. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.